Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to change your video into black and white in CapCut. So here I've already prepared a video, and then what you need to do is click on the video and then remove the background by clicking on cutout and then click on remove background. Okay, and then go back and go to filters, click on filters, and then here find movies category and then choose the dreamy effect. This one's right here. Click on check icon and then go to polish. This one's right here, and go to adjust and lower the saturation into -50. Click on a check icon and then click on the police again and then go to filters, and here lower the dreamy effect into 0 like this. Click on a check icon and then click on the main video, go to cutout again and then remove the background. Click on the remove background, and here the final result for the black and white video. Okay guys, so that's all for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.